Hi guys, so a lot of you has been asking me on pila akong nagasto tanan sa kini akong small nga solar setup which consists of a 210 watt panel, 20 amps, 25 amps nga solar charge controller, 1.2 kilowatt hour nga battery and a 1000 watt nga Peyto inverter which continuous running power is just 400 watts. So that will be the discussion of this video. So stay tuned as you'll be surprised on how much I spent on this. So this is the diagram that I've shown in my other video on how I built my solar setup. So dali na siya guys, you just connect positive to negative, that's it. And more in diagram, so let's discuss this one by one. Pila ang cost per item ani. So first we have our solar panel. So by the way, I've brought all of them from Shopee, and this 210 watts monocrystalline solar panel from Hantech cost me at around, as you can see in the picture, it's only around 2,651. But mind you, I've bought all of this with shop vouchers and Shopee vouchers. So yung actual price is around 3,319. But I only got it for 2,651. Next, I have my PowMr 25 amps solar charge controller, and that cost me 1,107. So original price is 1,370. Again with vouchers, 1,107. Next is the battery. The battery is the most expensive part of the setup. Okay, bisan unsang setup, battery ang pinakamahal. So this 1.2 kilowatt 12 volt setup battery, lithium iron phosphate. Actually, mo yung pinaka-cheap nga nakita in the market. Na siya Bluetooth connection. So that cost me 6,399 with vouchers. The Peyto inverter, 1000 watts inverter with 400 watt continuous running power. That cost me to 1,780 with discounted with vouchers. Next is ang ato ang multimeter to monitor the progress, the wattage and the consumed of our solar setup. So tag 462 siya. Then of course, our mounting accessories and the wires that we use, all of them. So ang mounting accessory no kato bitong clamp, katong railings, that cost me 169. Then sa end clamp 34 pesos each, and then for the wires, that's 279 for 6 meters na siya and gauge 12 nga wire. And again, this is discounted with Shopee vouchers, and that cost me 806. Next, of course, we'll have our breakers and our screws and our DIN rail. So, mo na dihan nato i-attach. So, for the DC breakers, barato ra siya. I don't think this is high quality nga circuit breaker. But, take 110 each lang, and I have 3 of those. And then, alam mahal mo itong AC din, no? Itong 300 mo di ay. So, ang AC nga breaker may mahal. And that cost me, all of them, at 622 pesos. Nagpalit po ko ato nga akong gi-attach sa battery capacity voltage to show me the voltage and the battery percentage. So that's katubit ang gamay yung gibitaw sa battery. That's 208 pesos. And lastly, of course, ang atong platform, atong Plyboard. Ipalit din ako sa Shopee. So this Plyboard na siya, yung size is around 120 cm by 40 cm, and then na siya kauban nga brackets, which is ako lang gi-wall mount ako ang solar setup. And that cost me 600 again. All of these are discounted with Shopee vouchers and coins. Now, reveal for the revelation. How much, if inyong gitotal tanan, the total of this setup is around 14,635 pesos. So, that's less than 15,000. So, for a small setup that can sustain you an overnight usage if in case mag-run out, lagay pong kay electric fan, lagay pong kay suga, the basic necessities, it will cost you 14,635 for your peace of mind. But of course, these are all discounted with the Shopee vouchers. If you don't have those, then maybe this will cost you around 17,000 to 18,000 plus shipping. Again, all of these items, wala ko shipping fee because again, I have vouchers. Naglisod ka na hatod ang kwan. Pinakalisod gihatod kay ang panel kay mo'y dako gihatod town og kanang utility van. So yeah, that's it. So again, the cost for it is 14,635. If you plan on building this, I suggest, of course, mas barato dito sa Shopee compared sa mga actual stores. So yeah, that's it guys, and I hope you'll also build your own solar setup for your peace of mind if in case mag-burn out. Labo na sa diri sa Pinas, no? So okay, that's it. See you in the next video.